Alrighty guys, back with another video. Today's quite a cool day. I have the new Giant Anthem XC steed here. Here at Wayne Richards Park. I haven't been here in a very long time. This is probably where I started mountain biking almost, when I was a grom. Sort of before I even started BMX racing when I was 11 years old. I did a couple little ride days here, even some little skills clinics with Jason English. So I've been here at the pump track a few times but haven't ridden the trails, so thought I'd spin some laps on the new XC bike today. Pretty short sort of tracks. I think if you do a loop it's probably only a kilometre or so. So but yeah, got the fresh rig here. Super nice green and gold. Big thanks to the team for sorting this out. I wasn't expecting to sort of have this to ride this off season, so yeah, get out there, feel it out, put some air in the suspension and tyres, and we'll be doing some exploring. May as well double up here and do a bit of a bike check. So here is my new Giant Anthem size medium, green and gold, 120 rear travel, Fox Factory float, SL rear shock, and Fox 34 SL. I think it's a 130. We have Giant XCR carbon wheels. Got Shimano XTR 12 speed, and I'm running a 32 tooth on the front. Bought some Favero A Soma Pro MX power pedals, Maxxis Recon Race on the back, and Recon on the front. So these are sort of the more beefier XC tyres, which is going to be nice for me as a gravity rider. Fox Transfer Neo seat dropper. It's not the lightest thing. I don't think the XC boys and girls run them just to save weight, but it's pretty nifty. Electric Giant grit seat, and then we've got the Giant Contact SLR XC integrated bar. Interested to see how that goes today. XTR brakes, front and rear. Yeah, so 180, 200 front rotor. So that's going to be more than enough on this thing. That's about it. XTR cranks, 170. Yeah, super light. I think these things weigh all of 7 kilos around. Featherweight. What a dialed rig. Super nice paint job. Gold tinge, or gold specks in the green. Running it in the low setting as well, which is definitely going to be good for me as a downhill racer, a bit slacker. Yeah, that's your bike check. Tyre pressures. Ooh, I need to put a little bit in that. So the XC Bandits actually run their tyres pretty low, so I'm gonna go pretty low with it as well. 22, 23 rear, 20, 19 front, let's try that. So getting a little warm up in. My seat's just come loose, so I'm just tightening that back up. Dirt's pretty actually all good. It's been a bit of rain, so a little bit wet out here, but yeah, it's been a minute since I've been here. The tracks are super short, so I'm just exploring them a little bit. Right, so commencing the loop around the back of the soccer pitch, or oval I should say. Got a bit lost before. Go left, and I think you just sort of commence the climb up here. My gears aren't stoked, so I'm not really sure how to fix them with the electric shifting. So yeah, Bit of like a zone 2 today. Little berm next to the neighbourhood. I'm not too sure if I'm going the right way here, but oh, rip in. Woo! Pretty tight as well. Yeah, I'm probably going the wrong way by the feel of this. So, and you let it run, wide line. Oh, loop it round. There's the pump track over there. Cool little spot for the grommies. Boom. Need a pump track lap later. And a descent. Woo! These tires have grip, sort of. Oh, go left. Right, dropping into a little trail that I've found. Unsure what it's called, but it's pretty sick, honestly. Couple berms. I'm still getting used to the XC hog. Oh, it drives real good speed. Go straight across here. Set up. Set up wide for this one. Oh, a little gap. Ooh. A little bit late on the brakes there. Go the berms. And there's this double down here. Need a bit of pace for it. Slick turn. Woo! Oh. Pretty large on the XC rig. Punch the power. And then a couple more little berms. Oh, sign me up for XC. Set up wide. Little climbing trail here. On your way up. You're not a straight line, but we'll traverse. Don't really want to shift too many gears, so I had it drop into the back wheel before. So we'll run the third. Pretty sick little tracks actually. Pretty short, but got some flow berms. Ow. Woo. Tabletop. Another one. Little jump manning. Berm. No brakes. Woo. Try and get the transfer. Ooh. Yup. Now we're coming into the gap again. Yow! Holy slick. Little track there, it's pretty nice. Whoa. Man, so much traction on the hard pack. Right, another trail. See if I can find the names of these later. Couple flat turns in here. A little bit of pedalage. There was some roots. Tight, right. Starting to get the hang of the XC hog. Woo. Now we have quite a check rock garden here. Found a little gap. So trying to snap the rig. Yoo! Oh yeah. That's sick. Back into the main trail. Oh, so much grip. So, Grombo's built a little booter over here. I'm gonna go hit it up again. What? Yep, the booter. Woo. Little Grombo booter. I think that's pretty much it. Pretty much everything. Woo. Oh, sign me up. Yup. Right, I found a little Grombo straight line. See what it goes. Oh, the rig's eating. Oh, jackpot. Down to the soccer pitch. Alright, so we're going the other way this time. On the trails across from the pump track. Or so, should I say trail. In and out of the grass. Into some single track. Boom. Shredding. And then, yeah, this will be the descent. Definitely was going the wrong way before. Yo. So I made my own little trail combo through here. Through here, what I rode before. Then some sketchy rock garden. Little gap. little dive. Oh, little skid. Bit of a mud patch. Avoid the mud. Turn on my inside there. Dodgy bridge. Flat turn it. Little double. Straight line. Ew! Oh!
You sponsored by Red Bull?
Nah. I wish.
Sponsored by Giant.
Yeah. Alright, you ready? I'll try and double it.
Yeah, guys do.
Alright. The up trail just because losing some light. Hopefully no one's coming up. Oh, he's going straight line. He's bombing. Woo! Getting a bit kicked. Down here. That's the XD I've got. Oh, not too bad. Pedaling through. Come on. Ooh. And again. Ah! Wide on the exit. Now. Ooh, high line. Ooh. Bad braking there. I've just got this new XC bike today, so first ride on it actually.
How many bikes do you have?
Oh, a few too many.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you got clip-ons?
Yeah, I got the little clip-ins.
Clip-ons look like?
Yeah, these are like the XC ones. The Downer ones are a bit bigger.
Oh, that's so cool.
So.
Who's the coolest person you ever raced?
Good question. I mean, probably nowadays, probably Jackson at the moment. He's pretty cool, isn't he?
Yeah.
my teammate.
Can I take a photo of you and your bike?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you
We'll get a
so
photo
much.
all together as well.
Yeah. Thank you.
There you go. Jump in, boys. We'll try and get a big selfie or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's take first photo.
You boys been riding the pump track or?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Red
sick.
Bull.
I've been on there a few times.
Oh, Toby, I'll take you pictures and send it to you.
Wait, do you have me?
No, Toby can send it to you.
Jump in, boys.
I see.
There we go.
Wait, could you grab a photo of us? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sick.
Oh, good, boys.
Why are you in port?
My parents live about 45 minutes from here, so I'm fairly close, but haven't ridden sort of around here, or these tracks, in years since I was like a grom like you boys. I just got this bike, and I was actually in town having lunch with my grandparents before, so I decided to come out and test the new bike. Pretty fun.
Can you do that table over there, the big one?
Yeah, I think I've done everything. The one just like behind here?
The big step up?
Yeah, I was doing it just before.
There's a couple little tables if you go further.
Mm.
Up there.
Yeah, it's good fun. You boys built the jumps, or?
No, there's some other guys that are better than
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, all the teenagers.
Sick.
Yeah.
That's the way, boys. All right, well, nice to meet you all.
Yeah,
Can
thank
I
you.
get one
Yeah, you
photo?
haven't got a photo, have you? Jump in. There we go. No worries, boys. Chuck it up on your socials and tag me, and I'll reshare the story and whatever. So, Luke_MS1.
Thank you so much.
Oh, good, boys. I'm gonna maybe ride for a second longer while the light's out, and then
Yeah, get
back
stuck
up.
here.
Yeah.
Goodness, you guys are coming.
Yeah, there's a few. It's a bit wet, hey, as well.
Yeah.
Doesn't help.
You like my bike?
Yeah, that's it.
I thought it was like
The BMX. I actually started in BMX racing when I was younger, like when I was 11. So
oh wow, like those tracks with
yeah, the race BMX. Yeah,
Wow.
and then
That's crazy.
went to mountain biking when I was like 15. So follow your dreams, boys. You might do the same.
I hope so.
All right, boys. Have a good one. Rightio, that's it for today. Yeah, super sick first ride on the new Anthem. So stay tuned for more.